Today we'll make strawberry milkshake. Ingredients are strawberry, banana, and milk.
Go.
First step is you cut the banana in small pieces, also the strawberry, and then you put in the blender. Now it's time to blend it. Tasting time.
Now it's time for me to taste the milkshake.
Mm.
It's good.